Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to the AI Tech Explain channel, the place for AI professionals and enthusiasts to stay updated with AI advances. In this video, we talk about chat models. As their name indicates, chat models are designed for conversations and they interface with chat messages that we will see in not long. So under the hood, chat models use LLMs, and you can use LLMs from any provider such as OpenAI, Cohere, Hugging Face, Anthropic, Together AI, and so on. In our case, we will use OpenAI. That's why you will need to have a OpenAI API key, and this key you have the choice to insert it in .env file that we will read later using .env function, or you can export your environment variable manually. So the main advantage of using chat messages is that you provide your LLM with an additional detail about the kind of message you are sending, as these messages will have the role of the sender and the content of the message. So this tells the LLM who is sending the message and the content of the sent message. For example, a message with role human message tells the LLM that the message is coming from the user who is interacting with the LLM. A role AI message tells that it's the model's answer. And last but not least, the system message tells the LLM how it has to behave. It is to be noted, guys, that not all providers support the system message. There are other types of messages such as function message, but I will talk about these in the next videos. So first things first, let's start with this snippet of code. So here we use loud.env from .env to read environment variables from .env file. This assumes that you have already a .env file where you can put your OpenAI API key. Here we will use GPT 3.5 Turbo as our LLM. We set the temperature to 0. Putting the temperature to 0 makes the model to be more deterministic. I say more deterministic because it's not guaranteed that the LLM will be deterministic. The answer might be a little bit different from a turn to another. Let's use these chat messages now. So as you see, we define our messages, which is a list of messages. In this case, we have system message and human message. In the system message, we tell the model how it has to behave. Like here we say you are an assistant knowledgeable about healthcare, only answer healthcare related questions, and we ask our questions. We pass these messages to the chat model, and here we have the answer. So I'm presenting you these guys, but I will run it in not long. Let's look at another example where we keep the same system message, but we ask a question about how to change a tire. But the model apologizes here and it says that it can only provide assistance and answer questions related to healthcare. And here we see the importance of the system message, where we give the model its role in the conversation. Let's get our hands dirty now, guys. Before running the code, you need to install some packages that you find here. And here we install the .env package. In my case, I use UV Package Manager, which I highly recommend because it's so useful. I can make video to talk about UV Package Manager, so let me know in the comments, guys, if you need a video about that. So you need to install these packages. If you face any OpenAI proxy error, you can upgrade LangChain OpenAI. If you face other errors related to LangChain or LangChain community, you just need to upgrade these packages as well. So if we try this out, all this code is the same as we've seen so far. So let's try it out. I ask the same question, which is what is Medicaid managed care? And here we have our answer. So this is, guys, for this part of AI agents with LangChain series. I will provide the link to this repo in the video description, and you can ask for the original code from a real Python website that you find here. So this is it, guys, for the chat models part. In the next video, I will talk about chat templates Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't hesitate to put thumb up if it's the case, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more videos like this one. Don't hesitate to put a comment if you need more details about any concept about which I talked so far, and see you next time.